Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remove hyperlink from order table row in WooCommerce dashboard. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in order section. Now you see whole row is clickable. When you click on any section, now order open. So we are going to disable hyperlink. Now you see order open. So go to order section again. So after adding code, click on this, then order open. Now we are going to add custom code. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down on left side you see code snipper, then you see add snipper, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snipper section open, scroll down you can add title here, then you see code preview, on right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snipper. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now scroll down you see insert method, auto insert, location run everywhere, on top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snipper created and saved. Go to order section again. Now you see WooCommerce and then you see order, so click on it. Now order section open, hover on row, you see not clickable, then you see name, so only clickable this. Now click on it, so order open. Now you see order open and you will find code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.